Python functions. Max of iterable guys, max of iterable, minimum of iterable, sum of iterable and length of iterable and iterable dot count of value. These are the some few functions. I will explain you with example. ఇక్కడ L1 ఈక్వల్ టు ఒక లిస్ట్ తీసుకున్నాను 1 2 3 4 and maximum of L1 here it is maximum value it will show. Minimum of iterable minimum of L1 it will show 1, minimum value it will show. Sum of L1 here it means summation of the elements in the iterable it will show 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Again iterable dot count of value 4 value how many times present in the iterable it will show. That's all about the functions in Python guys in list. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and follow for more updates guys. Thank you.